Hello everyone.
These are knob ducks. They are also called as African comb ducks. They are found in some parts of Africa, Madagascar, South Asia, and Indochina. They are one of the largest water ducks, weighing up to 3 kilograms. With a wingspan of about 5 feet. They eat vegetation by grazing and dabbling. Plant seeds are their favorites. Only the males have a black knob on their bills. The females don't have the knobs. Here, you can see a group of young males together. And here, you can see a group of females together. They are typically seen in flocks, and males and females are often seen in separate groups, according to sex. Sadly, these lovely birds are declining in numbers.
If you like this video, please subscribe.